In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create round-robin meeting on Calendly. 5 minutes. First, sign in to your Calendly account and head to your event types. From there, click the plus. Create button and choose round robin. This tells Calendly you want meetings distributed across a group instead of a single host. Give your event a clear name and set the duration. Pick something that makes sense to invitees, like intro call or product demo, and choose a consistent length so scheduling stays predictable for your team. In the hosts section, build your rotating pool. Select Create rotating host pool and add the teammates who should receive meetings in turn. If someone needs to be on every call, like an account owner or a facilitator, add them as a co-host so they're included without being part of the rotation. You can refine each pool by editing its name, members, and how Calendly distributes meetings. This is handy if you segment pools by region, product line, or skill set. Next, assign priority levels to each host by filling in the stars. Higher priority means that person is preferred when multiple people are available. If 2 or more hosts share the same priority, Calendly automatically assigns the meeting to the person who has gone the longest without a meeting, keeping things fair over time. Choose the event location next. Pick the conferencing option your team uses, set a physical address if it's in person, or leave instructions if it's a phone call. Clear details here reduce back and forth later. Add your availability so Calendly knows when to offer times. Make sure connected calendars are up to date for each host, and consider time zones if your team or invitees are distributed. Tightening your window slightly can help concentrate your day and minimize gaps. Decide how reschedules are handled. You can let rescheduled events run back through the round robin, or keep them with the original host to preserve context. Choose the path that best fits your workflow. Before wrapping up, fine-tune scheduling preferences. Add buffer time so hosts aren't booked back-to-back. Limit the number of meetings per day to prevent overload, and set minimum notice so nobody gets surprise bookings minutes before a call. When everything looks right, click Save and Close, or Save and Close and Continue if you want to adjust additional event details. Finally, share the link to your new round robin event just like any other Calendly link. Send it to prospects, post it on your site, or drop it into emails, and let Calendly handle the fair, automated distribution for you.